How you doing today, Miss Natasha? You did a great job back, and I really commend you on that. Hey, I want you to drive around this whole parking lot by yourself. I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom. Now, by the time you make it around this whole parking lot and make it back over here to pick me up, this is where I'll be standing, okay? Now, take your time. There's a lot of trucks moving up in here, but I want you to feel and get a feel for driving through parking lots. You already know, slow moving, take your time, emergency flashing lights on, watch your rear end. Well, not the one you're sitting on, we're talking about the trailer. That long thing back there, all right? See you later. Have a good day. Go ahead. Bye. You gotta go forward. You gotta wave. Bye-bye. Bye. I do not breed dependency, only independency. And this helps build that. Because she's ready, she's good. Take your time, dog. I'm not really going to the bathroom, but I want her to think I am. I'm gonna be out here watching like a mama over her chicks and stuff. I almost said the bad word. My bad. I hope she's not going out the parking lot. She got to go all the way around and then circle back around on her own. She just got to figure out how to make it back in. Yes, this is truly an active parking lot, an active fuel. There she is, as she made the correct left. Headed back toward that fuel aisle. She's never been here before. There she is coming through the fuel aisle. She has made it. All she got to do now is make it around the parking lot using the proper procedures. She's going slow enough through the fuel aisle, checking her mirror. She's doing fine. Let me get out of the way so she doesn't see me. Let me turn this off.